Have you ever wondered why the waters of different seas, when they meet, do not completely merge? This mystery of the oceans was described in the Holy Quran more than 1400 years ago. Quranic revelation. Allah Almighty says in the Quran, in Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 19 to 20, He released the two seas, meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier they do not transgress. And again in Surah Al-Furqan, verse 53, It is He who merges the two bodies of water, one fresh and sweet, and the other salty and bitter. And He placed between them a barrier and an insurmountable boundary. Scientific discovery. Centuries later, modern oceanography confirmed this reality. When two seas meet, such as the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, they appear to mix. But in reality, their waters remain distinct because of differences in salinity, temperature, and density. The invisible barrier. Scientists discovered that this invisible barrier acts like a divider. It allows the seas to touch, but prevents them from losing their unique properties. One sea may be rich with certain marine life, while the other has a completely different ecosystem. Examples from around the world. At the Strait of Gibraltar, the waters of the Mediterranean and the Atlantic meet, yet remain separate. In the Red Sea, where it meets the Gulf of Aden, the difference in water properties can also be observed. Even at Cape Point in South Africa, two oceans collide, yet they maintain their individuality. The wisdom behind it. This delicate balance is a sign of divine wisdom. It shows how every part of creation has been designed with precision and purpose. Without this barrier, marine life would not survive as it does today. Reflection for humanity. Allah Almighty reminds us of these signs so that we may reflect. The Quran does not only guide us spiritually, but it also invites us to ponder over the natural world. What modern science discovers today, the Quran mentioned centuries ago. Conclusion. The barrier between the seas is not just a scientific phenomenon, it is a miracle of the Quran. It is a reminder that the words of Allah are true and that knowledge and faith walk hand in hand. So the next time you see the ocean waves, remember this sign of Allah's creation, a sign written in the depths of the seas and revealed in the words of the Quran.